Welcome to Features Online, Trucks in the Workshop Case for Skilled Technician. This tutorial will teach you how to manage several trucks in the workshop using Features Online. The main objectives of this case are: optimize workshop activity, remote trucks update, effective repairs. Meet the main characters. Alice the dealer checks and updates mechanically repaired trucks in the workshop. Tom's truck needs to install accessory equipment software. Sam's truck needs to install technical service kit. Bob's truck needs battery parameter optimization due to several battery changes. After the light ramp installation on Tom's truck by Charlie the technician, the software installation is needed. Alice the dealer has to install it and checks the truck's general condition and closes the case. Then Alice connects to Features Online from Trucks portal. She enters the vehicle ID and clicks to validate. She checks the battery state and the software consistency. A low voltage is found, so she clicks on Search Kit tab. She enters the correct software number. She gets it with a general description of this feature from the accessory product website and clicks on Select. Then Alice enters the work order number. She ticks pre-approval of cost and clicks to send order. She checks the sent order from Central Systems to the truck. She waits until the order is set in ready for activation mode. Alice follows this process. Connect battery charger to truck 1. Install the available software for the truck. Check if no fault code remained. Then Tom's truck is ready. Due to the huge diagnosis for Sam's truck, which is not yet repaired, an Argus case came from the technical team, with a service kit number to install for repair. Alice has to install this proposed kit using the technical team and check the truck's general condition before closing the case. After connection, she has to click on Start tab, enters the vehicle ID, click to validate. She follows this process, first checking the correct connected service contract and the battery state. The vehicle condition is good, so she clicks on Service Kit tab. Then she enters the service kit part number given by the technical team and sends the order to the truck. She proceeds, filling the truck work order number, ticking pre-approval of cost, clicking on Send Order. She checks the sent order from Central Systems to the truck. She waits until the order is set in ready for activation mode. She installs the available software for the truck, checks if no fault code remains, and clicks on Consistency Check. Then Sam's truck is ready. On Bob's truck, due to many battery changes linked to bad use, Eric, the customer, wants to reduce all possible battery C use. Alice has to modify some parameters and check the truck's general condition before closing the case. After connection, she has to click on Start tab, enters the vehicle ID, click to validate. Then Alice checks the truck service contract and the battery state. battery is out of service, so she clicks on Parameters tab. She has to click on Parameter Programming tab, then Guided Parameter Programming. Select Battery Parameters Optimization. Click on Start. Enter the recommended values needed and confirmed with the customer. Click on Continue. She continues checking that the correct values are added. Entering the truck work order number, ticking pre-approval of cost, and clicking on Send Order. She checks the sent order from Central Systems to the truck. She waits until the order is set in ready for activation mode. Finally, Alice should change the batteries for Bob's truck and connect charger to support them. Install the new parameters from the truck display. Check if no DTC remains. Trucks are ready for delivery. Now it's time to close the cases. The customers, Tom, Sam and Bob, are glad to get their brand new trucks on time. Features Online digital repair tool enables quick diagnosis and repair, workshop activity optimized, uptime for customer.